So in this activity, you're going to learn how to create a voltage divider. So the first thing we want to do is figure out what our supply voltage is going to be. Should be around 4 times 1.6. We're going to measure it with our meter. Set your meter to measure in volts. And we got 6.43 volts. Okay, so here you can see I have 2 resistors set up in series. These resistors have the exact same value. So if we insert a test point location here, we expect that our measurement from this point to the ground would be half of our supply voltage, which is what we are seeing. So we have created a simple voltage divider here. We have our main voltage here, and then we divided that by half at this location. If we use a 1 kilo ohm resistor as our first resistor and a 1 mega ohm resistor as our second resistor, what will we expect to measure at our test point here? In the comment section, write what you think would happen to the voltage.